Effective cleaning is essential to get rid of harmful bacteria and stop them spreading to food. After food preparation, all work surfaces will need to be cleaned properly to remove any food debris and bacteria. This is a two-stage process. The first step is to clean the work surface with hot, soapy water. Then rinse with clean water. Now remove harmful bacteria by using a disinfectant or sanitizer. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. You may have to leave the chemical in contact with the surface for a set amount of time.